Welcome back, guys. I am going to take you today to a family owned and operated family hotel in Jamaica, in Runaway Bay, and this hotel specializes in looking after your kids while you enjoy the sun and the sea. So it's all about the kids, and you have a great time too. So I invite you to join me on a little tour that we're going on with Trish at Franklyn Resort and Spa. That's FDR Resort in Runaway Bay, Jamaica, and let's have a tour. And guys, please subscribe. More videos coming your way about Jamaica and memories of Jamaica and trips to Jamaica and all kinds of fun things to do there. So join, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and please comment. I love to hear your comments. So anyway, enjoy a trip to FDR.
We are at the Franklyn Resort and Spa in Runaway Bay, Jamaica. Here we are going to see our extended beach area. So for all the beach lovers, this is where you will come. It's ideal for just swimming, jogging, relaxing. You have up to a mile of beach that you have access to, which we just absolutely love.
Beautiful. That's a lovely beach.
Lovely beach. On this side here, we also have our great spa. So you get your massages right out on the ocean with the waves crashing in. Very soothing and relaxing.
Oh, that sounds fabulous.
Let's continue. We'll walk now to the Honeycomb Restaurant.
Okay.
So you'll see where we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have 2 additional adults only restaurants, which includes our Overproof, which is our adults only restaurant, and our Pier restaurant. Here, before we leave, is where we have our hammock garden.
Oh.
This is great for also relaxing, reading a book, or if you just want to come take a nap in the middle of the day. The breeze is really nice.
Lovely. I can testify to that. The breeze
Yes.
is blowing now, and it's look at this.
And
Lovely.
also here we have our tea time deck. So if you want to catch up on some work with a beautiful view of the ocean, or have some tea, have a cocktail, anything at all, you can come here, relax,
Tea.
read by our
Lovely.
tea time deck.
Absolutely.
Yes. So this is where we have our Honeycomb Restaurant. They serve, as mentioned before, breakfast, lunch, and dinner right out on the ocean as well. And everybody loves this when you're in Jamaica. You cannot beat being on the ocean. It
Yes.
is just really amazing. So this, you'll come down, we have breakfast from 7:30 to 10:30. Lunch goes from 12:30 to 2:30. And we have dinner from 6:30 to 9:30.
Lovely.
As you can see, they're setting up our buffet for lunch now. So we have a variety of different cuisines. So here we have our little buffet. Yeah.
There's the menu, guys.
So there's always something for everyone. Vegetarian options, a Jamaican special. Here is our favorite.
This
our
is so
family favorite
fantastic.
Ice cream Treehouse.
Just big enough
So
for the
kids
kiddies.
absolutely love this. They have a tree house that they can climb in up at the top, and they get their ice cream down at the bottom.
Look at
This
that.
is the perfect combination.
Perfect combination.
Perfect combination.
Look at their little tree house. So adorable.
So we'll walk up to our main pool area, which you will see. So this is one of 4 pools that we have on site. This is our main pool. As you can see, it's filled with everybody of all ages, kids,
Yes.
adults, everybody comes and have a wonderful day. And this is a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is a lovely day.
And we also do a lot of activities around this side. We do the pool Olympics, we do aqua side. So something's always happening here.
Okay.
To my right is where we have our main restaurant. This is where we have our main bar area. So this is one of 2 bars that we have on property. Serves everything from non-alcoholic to alcoholic beverages, smoothies in the morning. You get it right here at our main bar.
There you
So
go.
let's look at it over here.
That's the lovely main bar, guys. There you go.
Also
And looking
with
straight
ocean
through to
view.
the sea. You can see the sea everywhere here.
So let's go over to our kids.
Now we're heading over to the kiddie pool.
Yeah.
Because this resort is
So
all
we
about
have
the kids,
our
guys.
whirlpool over there where moms are reading and catching up.
Lovely.
Come around here.
Your kids get the best
And
treatment
then here you
here.
go. They're having their fun in their little kiddie pool.
And
With
there's
a mini
always
waterfall,
someone
and there's
nearby.
always someone there to supervise. As you can see, the lady here in the lavender and khaki, this is your vacation nanny. And this is unique to our product because every family is assigned a vacation nanny from check-in to check-out.
Yeah.
Works with the family from 8:30 a.m. to 4:40 p.m. daily. And she basically takes all the hassles out of the vacation. She keeps the kids happy, entertained, and safe. So this is exactly where you need to be with your family.
You cannot lose, guys. If you've got little kids, this is the place to come because they're having fun while you're relaxing. It's wonderful. It's a win-win for everyone.
On this side, we have two smaller beach coves, which is also fantastic for the little ones because you don't have to worry about any large waves coming and they can just go right offshore, feed the fish. We have our mats out at sea. We offer kayaks as well as kiddies kayaks. So
Kiddies
there's
kayaks.
activities
Look at
for
these little
everyone.
kayaks,
Look at these
guys.
little kayaks and the bigger ones are out. The adults can go on their little adventures.
Gorgeous.
It's really gorgeous. And they do sandcastles on the beach with their nannies. So there's always something going on. Always something happening here at FDR. We'll make our way to our grill. So this is where we have our cotton tree grill. So you get everything from your hamburgers, popcorn, jerk chicken, jerk pork, paninis, patties. It's all available here. Wraps, sandwiches,
Wrapped sandwiches, in case you guys didn't hear
jerk
that.
chicken, jerk pork, and our famous jerk sauce.
Jerk sauce.
And this is where we have our little grill area. So if persons want to come down, have a snack, have some lunch. There's Chrissy, which is our bar manager, serving up the best drinks that you'll ever have.
Oh my goodness,
And
look
then
at
up
this,
here,
guys.
we go to our 100-foot water slide.
Woo.
This is also a family favorite because this is for all ages, from the kids, the teens, the adults. Everybody loves Big Blue.
Goodness me. This does
Definitely.
look like fun. Here comes
It
a
is.
kid going
Lots
now.
of fun.
Here he goes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here you want to go down the slide?
Oh, he's not
Yeah,
going down the
he's not
slide.
coming, yes.
But look at what you can see from here as well. So, you know, you can be over there having breakfast quietly under the covered area there that looks out to the sea. And your kids can be right here enjoying the slide. Big Blue.
Yes, so let's
That's
take
a
them
lot of
over
fun.
here so we can see the beach maps as well. And the kids kayaking. Let's go
You going
forward.
there?
Yes.
Okay.
So there we go, everybody's out. You have the kids out on
Beautiful.
the mats. You also have our glass bottom boat. So we do glass bottom boat rides daily. We also do snorkeling trips. And we'll take you out to get to see the fish, explore the ocean with Captain Chanel, and he'll tell you all about what's happening. So this is done daily. And all you have to do is sign up by or dive shop.
That's beautiful. All right,
And
we're
it's
going
all
back.
inclusive. Everything is included. So no hidden fees once you come in. Then
Everything is paid for
completely
one
enjoy everything
time.
at no additional cost.
That's lovely.
Two other offerings that we have on site, which is optional, is our spa and also scuba diving. So if you want to get scuba certified while you're here, we offer that program on site.
That's really
And
good.
we are known for one of the best locations in Jamaica because we have people coming from all over, all different hotels, coming to FDR because we have one of the best dive spots here in Jamaica.
That's quite impressive.
Definitely. So we'll go over to this area here.
There's all these lovely little pathways to explore the resort.
Very lush tropical gardens. It allows you to feel like you're in Jamaica, that you're able to, you know, really feel what a Jamaican holiday is like.
That's right.
Over to my right, that little decking area there is where we have our adults only sun deck and jacuzzi area. So if the adults want to, you know, hang out and lounge around with no children around, they can always go to that area. Straight ahead that we're looking at, that is where we have our pier restaurant, and that's the adults only restaurant. It's open on selected nights, usually in the evenings, and persons can go and have a private dinner with their spouse while the children are fully taken care of by our kiddies buffet or the family restaurant. So there's always an option. And if you want to go on a date night while you're here, a lot of persons are not able to do that when you're traveling with children, but at FDR you are able to do that.
That's actually a big plus.
Yes, it
big
is.
plus.
And if you have any special dietary needs, you can just make us aware in advance. We'll have you meet with our chef and prepare special meals for the duration of your trip.
This is lovely.
Yes.
And we're being told all of this amazing information by
Fresh.
Trish, who will be here when you arrive.
I am here. Once you come, just ask for Trish. Everything will be okay.
Yeah, this is lovely, Trish. Beautiful. All right. And then you have the, yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And we also do destination weddings. So if you want to have a garden, as we're looking at over here, this is our garden area where we have small weddings. We also offer beach weddings. We have weddings by our pier, so they're really nice locations if you want to come and get married with your family, because also, again, a lot of persons want to get married with their family too. However, not a lot of places offer wedding packages
and
with
catering
children.
for the children.
And
exactly.
then ideal for us is the fact that you have the nanny, so even if you want to stay out late and have your reception and everything, then the children are fully taken care of by the nanny, so you don't have to worry about them because they're fully taken care of. This is where we have our miniature golf course and turtle/fish pond. If we go in, you'll see one of our turtles there. He's right up on top. So the kids come and feed them while enjoying a game of miniature golf.
That's lovely.
And then we'll go over to our basketball area.
Okay.
On daily, we also offer a gym. So if you want to keep your workout going while you're here, then a gym, fully serviced gym, is on property.
Okay.
Here we have our basketball courts. Our shuffleboard is right here. And we'll walk over to our tennis court, where we offer tennis and recently our pickleball court.
Pickleball.
Pickleball.
Tennis.
So there is something for everyone to do. Lots of activities. There's never a dull moment. There's always something to do.
That's fabulous. This is lovely.
The kids have their little playground area as well. We have some bunnies that we pet, play, and feed. So along with the turtles and the fishes, they're bunnies as well. And we also
My
have
goodness,
our
it's
arts and
really
crafts
kiddie
area.
paradise.
Yes. We also have to see they're here making jewelry.
Okay, hi guys.
Hi. Hello. And then in here we have our gym. So our open air gym.
Okay,
Still keep fit while you're on vacation.
there you go. All right.
We also offer yoga daily. So Lady Champagne comes in and she does yoga classes with anybody who wants to participate. And it's always a hit because sometimes she does it on the beach, sometimes she'll do it by the deck. But you can always stay fit while on vacation.
That's lovely. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Trish. This has
You're
been a great
welcome.
tour. I'm
Thank
sure everybody
you.
enjoyed that.
Look
Make
forward
sure.
to seeing everybody
That's right.
at the Franklyn Resort and Spa.
There you
The
go,
Lisa
in
Family
Runaway
Place
Bay.
with the nannies in Runaway Bay.
Say that again, Trish.
The Lisa Family Place with the nannies in Runaway Bay, Jamaica.
There you have it, guys. Enjoy. So wasn't that nice, guys? It's like a really nice little place for your kids to go and have an amazing time while you relax in the sun. And there's plenty to do there as well. If you like scuba diving, as you heard her say, Trish says that they're one of the best, if not the best location to do that. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that little trek around FDR, and stay tuned for more videos about Jamaica, and please subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. One love, guys. Have a great day.